So recently, I learned that Grok AI has ended their free services for video AI generation. Funny enough, I didn't bother checking. And that's quite unlike me, but I believe it's true because I've seen a couple of videos on that. And a number of my students have also reached out to me asking of what next they could do. Anyway, before that happened, I've been on the search for another better alternative we could use, right? And today I'm sharing this video as part of my commitment to ensure that you still get your AI video creative generated for free. Okay, so today in this video we'll be using a free AI tool, right? It's new. I'm not sure for how long this will remain free, but for now it is still totally free. Okay, and that is with using your YouTube app, right? So if you notice this video here, I'm going to play it in a moment. I use the app, this YouTube app, to generate this video. I just uploaded an image, right? A design that I did, and then I added some text and it transformed it into the video that I want. Okay, so let me play it so you see what it looks like.
Make 100 to 250,000 naira weekly from home, helping businesses get sales with TikTok ads. It is a very lucrative opportunity.
All right, so that's the video, right? So I'm going to be showing you how to create this here on YouTube using the YouTube app. And that means you're going to be using your mobile phone to get this done, okay? So this is a new YouTube channel that I created, but you can use your old YouTube channel. It doesn't matter, okay? So once you're on your YouTube app, right? In case you don't know the app I'm talking about, this is the app. Let me just go to my apps. So this is the app here, YouTube. So you open it. When you open it, you click on the plus sign down here, okay? You can see my face, right? Because the camera is on me. Now up here, you see this button, right? You click on it, okay? Now when you click on it, it brings you to this interface, all right? So what you're going to do here will depend on what you want at the end of the day. Do you want to create a video? Do you want to make your image to move? Do you want to turn a photo into video, right? If you scroll like this, you'll see where to generate image, background, and if you still move like this, it talks about music, all right? So for now, I'll show you two of the buttons or two options to use here, right? Number one, I want to show you is this one, make me move. I'll click on it. Let me see the one I can select. There's one I used a while ago. Okay, this one. So let's use this last one down here. And what I'll just do, I clicked on it. Then what I'll just do is to click this plus sign here to bring in an image that I want to replicate. Okay, so I'll just search for an image. Okay, let's go with this one here. Okay, so once you bring it in, you can just click on this arrow here and give it time to generate. So let's see what the outcome will be at the end of the day. It will go this way until it clocks 100%. So that's 99%, almost 100%. All right, so it's almost ready. All right, can you see? So that's the video we just generated using that image, right? Now, what you will do is you can download this. How do you download it? If you click up here, then it will bring out these options here, okay? So you have the option to share this, save to device, and then something wrong. So you go with the second option, which is save to device. You click on it, and this will automatically download into your device, maybe your phone or your gadget, your iPad or whatever, okay? So you can now pick it up from there, maybe take it to CapCut and finish up what you've got to do, okay? So when you are done, if you want to post it on YouTube, you can simply click on done, okay? So you can go ahead and then maybe add a song, right, or sound, and then go ahead to post it, okay? But that's not what I want to do in this case, so I'll cancel it or delete it. All right, so let's go to the second thing I want to show you. All right, so remember what we did at first. We came to this plus sign here, all right? And then I told you to click on this icon up here. Click on it again. Okay, so it brings us to this interface, right? So what we did the last time was to make our image to move, right? So you can still try that and see how it goes, all right? Now we want to turn our photo into a video, right? Remember the first video I showed you, okay? So let me click on photo to video. So click on it. All right, so let me select one. Okay, let's go with this one here, okay? All right, so I already have the text I want to use, what I want it to say, right? Or what I want it to do, okay? So what I will do is I will come here and paste what I have typed. I will advise that you do same so that you don't come here and start typing, right? But you can still edit after you've typed. So what I just wrote here was for it to say, let me just write, make it say, or make her to say, make her to say the following, okay? So this is what I'm putting quotation marks, okay? So this is what I want her to say, right? So I'll just click on this arrow here, right? And it will start generating. Again, we'll wait for it to clock 100 and then we'll see the outcome. I think I made a mistake, but let's see how it goes because I would have asked it to make her speak in a native Nigerian tune, okay? But let's see how it goes.
Make 100 to 250,000 weekly from home, helping businesses get sales with TikTok ads. Click the button below to start now.
All right, that's fine, right? But I want it to sound like a Nigerian, right? So let's see if we can go to retry. So I'll just paste what I have here. So this is what I want it to say, okay? But then I'll come here and add that it should make it or make her say the following in a Nigerian tune, okay? So I'll add quotation mark to be sure that he knows what to say. So once done, I'll click on this arrow button here and then we allow it to complete to 100% and then we'll have our video. Make 100 to 250,000 weekly from home, helping businesses get sales with TikTok ads. Click the button below to start now. Make 100 to 200 So that's it there, right? So once you are done, you can click on these three dots up here again, right? If you click on the three dots up here, you can save it to device, okay? But then if you want to post it on YouTube, right, you can just click on continue and then you go ahead to post it on YouTube. If you don't like what it generated, you can just click on try again. So it will generate again. That's give you another version, maybe that is far better than the previous one, and then you can use that. So let's see what this one looks like. So that's Make 100 to 250,000 weekly from home, helping businesses get sales with TikTok ads. Click the button below to start now. All right, so that's the update I have for you for now, right? If I have another free AI that can help you do better videos, I'll still share that with you. So go ahead and try this and let me know how it goes.